If your water heater is acting funky or showing weird signs, you seriously need to check it out before it turns into a total mess. So here's the deal. If you notice rust creeping around the top water connection or where it links to your house pipes, do not ignore that. Rust means the metal's breaking down, and that can lead to leaks or worse. Another thing is if your hot water starts smelling off or looks discolored, like yellow or brownish, that's a sign the tank might be corroding inside. Also, if your water heater is making loud banging or popping noises, it usually means sediment buildup at the bottom, which can cause overheating and damage. You want to flush your tank regularly, like once a year, to clear out all that gunk. Keep an eye on the temperature setting too. If it's too high, it stresses the system and wastes energy. When your water just isn't staying hot enough or runs out super fast, that's a red flag for failing parts. And don't forget to test the pressure relief valve every now and then. If it's leaking or stuck, that's a huge safety risk. One of the biggest mistakes people make with water heater maintenance is ignoring rusty pipes and connections. If you spot rust, replacing those pipes and possibly the whole unit is the only safe move. Another common problem is skipping the annual flush to clear sediment. Letting that build up messes with efficiency and eventually ruins the tank, so just get that done regularly. The third mistake is setting the temperature too high because it wastes energy and shortens your heater's life. Aim for around 120 degrees Fahrenheit to keep things safe and efficient. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about water heaters and home repairs. It also gives contractors a solid way to connect with people who need work done, making sure everyone wins and gets things fixed right without hassle.